Sandy here from genConnect, here with Jim McKelvey, who is one of the founders of Square.
Founders Square?
Founders Square, involved in food essentials, and just a man of many things, you were saying, right?
Doing a lot of interesting stuff these days.
Tell me about it. What are some of these interesting stuff?
Well, I'm still involved with Square, but I'm working with a bunch of companies, mostly out of the Midwest. We're trying to build St. Louis's presence as a startup hub. So I'm the head judge for Arch Grants, which gives $50,000 grants to any company that's willing to relocate to St. Louis, and it's non-dilutive funding. So we have over 700 applicants on the current round, so that's really exciting. Actually, Food Essentials, I'm wearing their T-shirt, and they were one of the Arch Grant recipients last year, and they're doing some great stuff. It's just been super exciting.
Why St. Louis? Are you trying to create a tech hub over there?
I'm from St. Louis, so it's sort of the hometown, and it's just something I can do, and it's a great place to live. So we're trying to make it also a great place to work.
Very cool. Back to Square, mobile payment service. How does it work exactly?
Square's really simple. It's a way for anyone to accept credit cards easily, and we have some new features to allow for easy payments. So it was a very simple idea. I had it while I was sitting in my glass blowing studio and trying to sell a piece of glass, and needed to take a payment which I couldn't process, and the idea came up sort of generally for a payment system, and then I was already working with my friend Jack Dorsey, who's also from St. Louis, and so Jack and I hooked up with another engineer, and the three of us built the core of the product, and now we have almost 500 people working with us, making it even better.
And Food Essential, what is that service exactly?
So Food Essentials is really it's a great tool. This is not a consumer product. It's this database of every ingredient in everything you could eat. So if you want to know what's going into your body, these guys know, and it's all organized, and they have APIs that can be used, so you can develop apps on top of this. And if you think about it, one of the most important things we do is consume food. It's critical to our health, but it's also endangering our health, and part of that is because we don't know what it is. So this is the first sort of massive effort at getting all this data together, and they've got something like 250 million queries already against the database. It's really catching on.
So it's out?
It's out. It's out. It works.
How do I check it out?
You can go to their website, but there are literally dozens of little apps that are using Food Essentials right now. So, and even like big apps like Red Laser. If you scan something in a store, they're using the Food Essentials database.
Very cool.
So yeah, it's just useful information. It makes your life better.
Thank you so much for joining me today. For more, you could check out genConnect.com.